Hey, good morning, everybody, and welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, September 13th, and we got a little bit of economic news releases scheduled for today. Later this week, we got some of the biggies. So today's nothing that's dramatic, but let's go ahead and take a look at those. We'll start off today with the NFIB Small Business Index, and the last reading they came out with was 89.9%. And this time around, they actually it dropped a little bit. So they're the small businesses are basically thinking that the economy's contracting rather than growing right now. So that's kind of where they're at with things. And then we got the import prices. It was at 0.3% the last reading, and we kind of estimated it would drop a little bit, but it actually dropped 0.4. So not quite as much as they thought it would drop. A lot of it had to do with the lower energy prices. So this kind of helped out things a little bit. So import prices have dropped a little bit. That should help out GDP a little bit here. Federal budget's due out later today, and right now they're estimated at negative $91 billion. So we'll kind of see where things lie. I mean, actually, that's what the last report was, negative $91 billion. So that's going to be due at 11 o'clock PST, Pacific Coast time. And so we'll kind of jump into what the headline news and kind of see what's moving here. Stock market's kind of mixed. It's actually kind of light trading. They're kind of foreseeing that it's going to be a sideways pattern right now, primarily because the European debt continues to be a major concern right now, as everybody's kind of looking at what's going to happen in Europe. Some of the things to note is that it looks like China might kind of come in there and are looking at things and maybe lending a hand because obviously it's in their interest that Europe is too big to fail, so to speak. They have the euro as part of their investment portfolio, so they don't want to see that hurt, nor do they want to see that their exports that are on the market over there being hurt either. So they want to obviously continue exporting to Europe as well as protect their financial gain as well. So you may see China come in here and help out with some of these debt bonds. Obviously, there is concern at their upper levels, as you got people like Germany who views Greece and some of these other bonds as very toxic, and so there's kind of a lot of debate as to how they could perhaps approach this and try to lend a hand here. Another news release came out I saw on MarketWatch, kind of disturbing, unfortunately. It's a record number here, 46.2 million Americans living in poverty levels right now. That is, you're looking at what, about almost a third of the country. That's kind of sad that this is kind of where people talk about with the rich get richer and the poor get poorer. So I guess you got to decide where you want to stand and kind of go from there. If you want to be rich, do what the wealthy do, kind of be friends with them and learn how they think and learn how they move forward. But get off that soapbox. We'll just kind of move into the bond market and see where interest rates are moving today. As we saw, we've kind of had 2 days down. We're kind of down again today. We're down about 9 basis points. We're in the lower 104 range when it comes to the 4% coupon. So it's down a little bit. Interest rates are down from what we were yesterday a little bit. So, but if you guys got any questions, like to get any free reports, stop on my free. I got free reports as well as mortgage calculator as well. For those who are looking to buy homes, home buyers, for those who are looking to refinance, stop on by. We've got great educational tools on the real estate process, webinars we sponsor, and such down the line. So stop by CaliforniaMortgageTips.com today. Have a great day.